Hello, greetings from Boonery. Beginning today, we are launching a new series, Health and Fitness. We will bring to you the health benefits of eating different fruits and vegetables and also explain how to keep good health. Our first topic is health benefits of lemon. How is lemon good for us? Watch ahead. Each part of the lemon, whether the pulp inside when you cut it open, or the outer peel, or even the juice, all are very helpful. The lemon possesses a distinctive sour taste. This is due to its richness in citric acid. It's because of this citric acid that lemons can be used even for cleaning. Say when you finish your meals and have dirty soiled utensils to clean, we use a soap bar to clean it up. Now that too has lemon extracts, as the citric acid works as a cleaning agent. Another instance is in the case of washing unclean stained clothes. When you put a washing powder or detergent into a bucket with clothes and then wash and rinse after scrubbing, the clothes become clean. This is because of the detergent powders containing lemon extract. There are so many uses, so no wonder lemons are always advertised on the outer covering or packets as they are a superb cleaning agent. Many people too enjoy lemon because of its refreshing flavor in different drinks or even in cooking various meals. Or actually, the lemon helps us in another way. It contains vitamin C that is very helpful as it stimulates immunity and reduces the risk of diseases. So how does the lemon help our body to be healthy? Take a look. The benefits of lemon are as follows. Number 1. Lemons help in digestion, and it can also help to reduce constipation and discomfort. Number 2. With regular consumption, your risk of heart diseases are away. Number 3. It can provide soothing benefits for a sore throat during cold season. Number 4. Lemon water is an effective tool in weight loss and weight management, as once it is ingested, it makes you feel full and helps you avoid munching on snacks repeatedly. Number 5. Vegetables have iron in them, which is needed for the blood in our body. Lemons help your body absorb more iron from foods. Number 6. Research has shown that it also helps to prevent the formation or the removal of kidney stones. Or it also works to cure cancer. Other than these internal benefits, lemons also help in other ways. Take a look. What are some other benefits of lemon? Lemons are also good for our skin. They help in keeping our skin clear of blackheads. They can also help in treatment of acne, as it helps fight the bacteria on our skin. So it can help in getting rid of pimples. Lemon also helps as it gives a brighter looking skin. Another benefit is that it also helps in healing of wounds, as it is rich in vitamin C that aids in faster healing process. Another benefit is that usually after we eat a meal, we might have bad breath. That's because of the bacteria in our mouth. Having lemon juice can help in fighting the bad odor as it kills the bacteria in our mouth. Lemon juice, when combined with oil or any other substances and applied to the scalp, can also help in reducing itchiness, which is common in some people. Lemons are small but very effective and beneficial for good health.